Hi guys, today we will be checking out the EKSA EM100 and EM200 gaming mouses. These mouses are built for gaming as well as regular uses where it can spruce up your desktop setup with its vibrant and elegant LED RGB lights. The product packaging looks really sleek and elegant looking, with cool graphics of the mouse and specifications listed neatly. Let's check out what is inside the box. First up, we will check out the EM1000 gaming mouse. Inside the box, users will find one EM100 gaming mouse packed nicely in a cardboard slot. Also included is a user guide for users to know more about the product. All packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the EKSA EM100 gaming mouse looks really solid looking and black. It looks pretty durable and solid on the outside. The USB cable is braided, so as to ensure durability and flexibility of the cord. The EM100 design looks sleek and stylish with modern curves and a groovy design. Now, let's check out what is included in the EKSA EM200 box. Inside, users will find one mouse back cover, which can be interchanged with a fitted one, and one EKSA EM200 gaming mouse, all packed securely within the packaging. On first impressions, this mouse looks more traditional with its design, while giving a hint on modernity. A cool feature is that the mouse has two styles in one mouse, meaning when I interchange the back cover with the mouse, it will change its look into another style. Now it's in all black, pretty cool. This gaming mouse comes with a red braided cord, like the EM100. It helps enhances flexibility and durability for its users. It has 6 tunable mouse weights, meaning that with it, users can adjust the mouse for gaming for personalized weight and balance tuning. You can adjust this EKSA gaming mouse's weight between 91.8 grams and 108 grams to fit your gameplay style. Remove weights for lightning fast reactions, and add more for precise control. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's do a hands-on test on the EM100 mouse. When turned on, the cool RGB lights power up, illuminating my table. Cool. When I hover my cursor, and click on icons on my desktop, it is really responsive. The scroll wheel is amazing too. I can scroll around accurately and my inputs are all entered onto my computer quickly and promptly. It has 7 buttons, each with its own function, mostly for gaming purposes like backward and forward buttons, left and right controls along with light setting buttons. It has 6 different color tones to the light from green to yellow. I can use the DPI key to adjust the DPI of the light. Up to 8000, which is really bright. The range of color display choices is amazing on this gaming mouse. Check it out, running the multicolored RGB lights while in use. It looks really fancy and fun. Great for gamers and youngsters who love gaming. Now, let's test out the EM200 gaming mouse. Same, like the EM100 mouse, it is responsive to inputs by me, the scroll wheel is quick to respond, and clicks are entered promptly. Great. With 7 keys, it is able to multi-control games as well as the color lighting on the mouse, great for gaming. The special feature about this mouse is the tunable weights, which allow users to adjust the speed of movement of the mouse with the adjustable weights. There are 13 RGB modes which can be adjusted with the DPI key and the left side keys to select the RGB mode that you want. A wide range of choices for users. The DPI can be adjusted up to 12,000 DPI, which is really high, even higher than the previous model. Overall, I find the EKSA EM100 and EM200 mouse a good choice for people who are into gaming. The EM100 functions as a gaming mouse which has an amazing design and RGB display, while the EM200 gaming mouse allows users to manually adjust the weight of the mouse for the right speed and responsiveness according to their needs, along with having a higher DPI and more choices of RGB modes. If you want to know more about these 2 EKSA gaming mouses that we used today, find out more in the description. Thank you for watching.